for you working with Trey?
Yes, Your Honor.
That's like the nitro and glycerin of criminal defense.
Oh, it's trouble, baby. It's trouble.
All right, let's see. I've got you guys down for a Jonathan, looks like Castro Maldonado.
Yes, Your Honor.
What's going on with that?
I would just like to confer. Also, there is we filed a motion, basically, Judge, to get his property that's at the property room released to me so I can mail it to him because he lives in Florida. We filed that yesterday. It's not there's no holds on it or anything. He didn't get it before he went back home, and he'd rather not fly here to get it.
What kind of property are we talking about?
Just the stuff on him. They
like locks and stuff or some kind of other?
No, like his belt and like things like that.
Why would they seize that?
They didn't seize it. It's just at the property room, and he just never went to get it when he bonded out.
Why would it be in the property room?
Because they take your stuff and make you go pay $25 to get it.
Okay.
They gave him back his
I haven't
driver's
seen it,
license.
but that doesn't mean it's not there somewhere in my pile. I'll be happy to look for it. Have
Okay.
y'all are in contact with him? He's in Florida. Is he on a Smart Start mobile?
He must be, Judge. I don't know off the top of my head, Judge, but
Find out if he's on a Smart Start mobile. As long as he's on a Smart Start mobile, I'm happy with him.
Yeah, I just don't know. I'll have to find out.
You're only a phone call away. Let's reset for a week and give you time to chat with the state. We don't have time during arraignment to be doing all that.
Okay. I'll get him. I'll email you.
And that'd be great. Perfect. And that's all I got for you today, I think.
Great. Thank you, Judge.
Thanks. Oscar, I got your message, so I'm on that. Gammon, can you hear me?
I can, Your Honor. Can you hear me?
We haven't paid the ransom because we heard you escape, so it's all good.
I was being held by computers.
Okay. Let me see what I got for you. I got a James Lohman.
Yes, sir. Actually, all my stuff, I was having a trouble giving people the links last night. I don't know how many of these have grown gray hair on them, but is there a chance I can just reset my cases?
Not a problem. Are you in contact with Mr. Lohman?
I am in contact with everyone in your court. Yes.
Okay, you're in contact with Mr. Lohman and Mr. Garcia and Mr. Mariscal and Mr. Reyna, correct? You got 4 cases.
Garcia, I'll find Garcia, and obviously I've been in contact because that's what I do.
All right. Have you received offers on all these cases?
At least on a couple. I will definitely, I know I've been remiss, but my liege, I will definitely.
All right. State on James Lohman, Matthew Garcia, Jonathan Mariscal, and Randy Reyna. If you have already sent an offer to Mr. Gwynn, that's great. If not, send an offer on those. Let's reset you for a week. Will that give you enough time to figure this out, Gammon?
Yes, sir.
All right, that's the plan.
I'll try to get another injection in my throat so I can speak better.
We can hear you fine. You're good.
Okay.
It just sounds like the good old days when you were overserved with margaritas, remember?
When wasn't I overserved with margaritas?
All right. Thanks, Gammon.
All right. Thank you, Judge. You'll have a safe, healthy, and beautiful day.
Can do. You know, the afternoon folks are sort of slow. I don't understand this.
Yes, sir. Now, Joseph Acevedo has one family violence. He's the last one. And then I moved all of his other cases over there, just so that you know. Next week, Your Honor, I believe we have 5 or 6 family violence cases. And I will send those to Guillermo and Megan, so maybe they can send you the offense reports. And that way, in case they need to talk about it, or you can make a decision how far you want to set them.
We need to know from Megan and Guillermo whether the DA, apparently there's a pretrial diversion program available for certain family violence, misdemeanor assault cases. Is that accurate?
That is accurate, Your Honor. And it's not very common, but it is definitely a possibility, depending on, of course, on the facts and the what the complainant wants. So we go on a case to case.
Who makes the decision on those? You guys as the trial court prosecutor or somebody above you?
So, Your Honor, we recommend PTD. That's just how the process starts, and then they apply. And there's the PTD staff and our chief as well. They're the ones who review the applications, and they say yes or no.
So Guillermo, is it, I mean, since it's pretrial diversion, do they go through the same process and the same, sending it to Beatrice and then Beatrice and they decide? Is that what it is?
Yes, I want to say that if it's a family violence case, I would like to say that our chief is the one who reviews the applications, especially due to the nature of the offense. But
Okay.
yeah, but those are rare.
Well, right now, at this current time, we have 15. Of those 15, we have 2 in jail and then 3 fugitives. So there's only 10 out there, Your Honor. I've created an Excel file for them, and I'm putting them together so we know what's going on with them. So I have 5 coming this next week, and then probably some more coming on the 14th, Your Honor.
Are the 2 that are in jail, and they just haven't made bond, or is the bond high, or what's the problem?
Well, one of them is coming next week. We've already talked about that one. That one was with Stephanie Esparza. He was set, and you gave her 2 weeks to try to figure out something. And I think the issue was the file had not been created. It is now created. So maybe we might be able to take care of that one in jail. I guess they have not posted bond. I think he has 2 cases. The other one, Your Honor, I've still got him on the CIS coming in. He's Eric Reynolds, but he has a felony, and the felony is a felon in possession of a firearm. And so he's there on the, I think it's an MTR if I remember correctly. And so Eric is on the felony as well, but I'm still putting him on so Eric can come and tell you what's going on with the felony.
Okay. DAs, I'm gonna need police reports, but I don't need the whole thing. All I really need is the narrative on each one of these cases, so I can see what the victim side, the police side is. So I can see if there's special things we need to do, like GPS, or if there's drinking involved, if we need to scram them or put them on Smart Start and all that kind of stuff. And if you guys read these case reports and there's something you want to recommend that we need to do to slow these guys down,